Hi everyone, I'm back with another video. Today I have another random NASCAR pack opening. I decided to put two pulls that I pulled from my 50th pack opening, which you should go check out, which was a major opening, and it was awesome. It did not disappoint. The reason I did, though, is I decided to display this Race Kings Gold Petty out of 10. It was out of 2019 Donruss, 2019 Gold Petty Race Kings, which is awesome. But then I also missed this Truex Unparalleled, which is 6 of 10. So it's also out of 10, and it's a gold, I believe, and a different background for the Unparalleled. But I missed this one. I didn't notice it was numbered or anything in the 50th pack opening. So I decided to display it, let you know that I did catch that, that it was a numbered card afterwards, and display it because it was one of the many good cards that I just missed out on. So, I mean, it's the only one I missed out on revealing, because I thought it was just regular Unparalleled. But the pack opening, the 50th pack opening, had tons of good stuff. So, go check that out, and I do appreciate you supporting my channel as always. Anyways, today I have two 2022 Prizms, one 2021 Chronicles, three 2019 Donruss, and 4 packs. One's a thickie of 2017 Donruss. The thick one may be a filler, but we shall see, I guess. And I just set the packs, move Petty over just a little bit, set the packs there, and as always, I forgot to mention, we have Christy Lingman hanging out, being my lucky charm, as always, hopefully bringing me some luck with this opening. So we're going to start off with 2017 Donruss. 17 Donruss. Alright. Start with Harvick, then we have Patrick, Sauter, Kane, Reed, Matt Kenseth Retro Base, and we got, focus, we got Stewart, Trevor Bayne, Crafton, and Keselowski in the first pack of 17. Let's move on to the second one here. We got Kabush, Denny Hamlin, Matt Kenseth, Allmendinger, William Byron, Jimmy Johnson, the champ, 7 times champ. Oh, sorry, not the 7-time champ. It's a nice photo. It's a variation. We got Jimmy Johnson behind him. So himself behind himself. Matt Kenseth, Regan Smith, and Ben Kennedy. Alright. Nothing yet. Let's see what the rest of 17 Donruss has for us. Alright. We got Elliott, Dale Jr., Casey Kane, Greg Biffle, Ricky Stenhouse, and we have Race Kings Jamie McMurray. Whoa, focus. Come on. Does not like that card. Jamie McMurray Race Kings out of 99. 79 of 99. So that's pretty cool. Press proof Race Kings there. McDowell, Brad Keselowski, Danica Patrick, and Joey Logano. So we did get a numbered card. So it's pretty cool. The press proofs look really nice in 17 Donruss. I do like those. So ones out of 99. They're really good. Alright, last pack of 17, and looks to not be a filler. Let's see what we got. Kenseth, Regan Smith, Ben Kennedy. We got Brian Scott. I'm just going to pull these forward. Austin Dillon, Ross Chastain, Jimmy Murray, Regan Smith. We saw the Brian Scott. We have Landon Castle, which will bring us to Jimmy Johnson. Auto Mem. Oh, sweet. Out of 99. 10 of 99. Jimmy Johnson auto. Rubber relics. Corners dinged up, you can see there, but that happens sometimes with these fatter cards. But sweet. Another Jimmy Johnson auto. It's a second, I believe. I won't complain with the Jimmy Johnson auto. So, awesome. Sweet. It's a nice looking card. So we got a hit. We got a nice card out of the 17. We did get a couple nice cards actually, which was a surprise because 17 is usually mostly miss, but there are some good things in there. I like Donruss in general, so Daniel Suarez, this is 19 Donruss. Petty, McDowell, Bain, Larson, and there's a filler. Dell Jr. Gray or Silver border, whatever you call it. Call Edwards Classics, and a silver optic for Kevin Harvick. Alright. Second pack of 19 Donruss. Gant, Rusty Wallace, Chris Buescher, retro rated rookie, excuse me, Waltrip, Bill Elliott, gray or silver border of Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Action packed, my man Ryan Blaney. Sweet. Base. Still a nice looking card for my PC there. Darrell Waltrip Optic Legends, an expired card there. Alright. Last pack of 19. This one is thicker, but we have already had one filler. We may have another filler. Let's see. Alright, Jimmy Johnson. Rowdy, that's a name variation. Cole Custer. Retro rated rookie, Bobby Labonte. We have Corey LaJoie. And it's a mem card for Corey LaJoie. This has been running better lately. It's not a bad racer. Pretty cool. Corey LaJoie mem cards. We got another hit there. Retro gray silver, whatever you want. Casey Kane. Denny Hamlin top tier. And an optic Race Kings for Jimmy Johnson. Alright. We've got, I'm going to actually, we'll do one pack of Prizm, then we'll do 21 Chronicles, and then we'll do the second pack of Prizm. So, just a little in between there. So our first pack of 22 Prizm. We've got Martin Truex Jr. Rides, Jeff Gordon, Colmore Rookie, nice, Wallace Horizontal, Icons Rusty Wallace, Daniel Suarez, Kevin Harvick, Martin Truex Jr., Kyle Busch. We have a cracked ice, blue ice of Austin Dillon, should be out of 25, I believe. 25 of 25, it's a bookend right there. Set those down. So we got the portrait Austin Dillon, cracked ice. Not a huge Austin Dillon fan. Personally, I think he's highly overrated, and mainly drives because his grandfather owns the team. I don't think he's, I mean, he's a decent driver. I think he's overrated. I'll just say that. I'll leave it at that. That's just my opinion. If you're an Austin Dillon fan, I'm sorry. That's just my opinion. All right, 21 Chronicles. Let's go here. All right, we got Brad Keselowski, limited. We got Chronicles base, Kevin Harvick. We got a Ryan Preece Obsidian signatures. Okay. We got a Ryan Preece, who is now in the 41, and some weeks he's been better than Custer. I don't know if taking Custer out of the car was the right move, because I don't think the car's running that much better, but Suros is also not running great. So I like Ryan Preece, though. I just don't know how well he's going to do. Speaking of Cole Custer, there he is with Crusade. And then we got, a blue Haley Deegan out of 199, should be very nice. And it is 103 out of 199. Blue. It's a nice looking card. Nice looking card. Haley Deegan numbered card. That's pretty cool. Alright, we got Derek Kraus XR. Jimmy Johnson pedal to the metal. And then we have a shorter print, Noah Gragson. 14 of 25. Purple. 14 of 25. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. We got another shorty. That's so stupid. Smaller sleeve. That was actually a pretty good pack of 21 Chronicles. Not gonna lie. Oh, and I didn't finish my other Prizm pack. Oops. We had a Jade Buford rookie, red, white, and blue, and a silver rookie, Matt Wells. Actually, that's pretty good rookies. I just kind of moved on. My bad. That's my bad, guys. But that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pack of 21 Chronicles. Alright, let's end up with this pack of 22. We already hit a shorter out of 25 Austin Dillon. Let's see what this one holds. We got Chase Elliott horizontal, Icons Richard Petty, Austin Hill, Tony Breidinger rookie. She did really good in the truck race recently. William Byron, Eric Amarola, Michael McDowell, ooh, focus, Alex Bowman rides, Alex Bowman, and we got a Bubba Wallace autograph. Patent penmanship, Bubba Wallace. I have pulled a bunch of Bubba Wallaces. Is that 35? 35, 16 of 35. So it is a shorter print. And man, I have pulled a bunch of Bubba Wallace lately. I don't know why Bubba keeps following me around recently. But I pulled his booklet, which was a redemption in National Treasures. I've pulled a one-on-one of him, auto fire suit, and from Victory Lane, and then I pulled the Chronicles Gold out of 10, and now I pulled this one out of 35. So Bubba Wallace has been following me around. Alright, we got Icons Blue, Danica Patrick. And we have Dark Blue, which is not numbered, by the way. And we got another rookie silver, Stephen Parsons. We got 2 rookie silvers from that. Some good color. Alright, that's going to do it for this random pack opening. Quick recap. We got the Bubba Wallace at 35, which is nice. We got Obsidian signature from Ryan Preece. That was not numbered. Fire suit Corey LaJoie base. And then we got this out of 99 Jimmy Johnson autograph relic, which is awesome. And then we got numbered cards, which we got this one out of 25, Purple No Gregson. We got Haley Deegan out of 199. Jimmy McMurray out of 99, Race Kings. And then we got this Austin Dillon, which was the bookend out of 25. So actually that was a great opening. We have some various silvers in color if you want to see them. Danica Icons, silver Stephen Parsons, Jade Buford, red, white, and blue, Matt Mills silver, and Kevin Harvick silver optic. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time and your views. Please let me know what you'd like to see in the future. If there's any different kind of content you'd like me to make relating to NASCAR, maybe I can do that. Or if you want to see something opened, this one is probably going to go up right after 23 Donruss has released. And I will have some 23 Donruss. I'll have a box opening. And then, yeah, that should be fun because I can't wait for new Donruss 23. But thank you for watching. Appreciate your views. Let me know what you'd like. Subscribe, share. I appreciate your comments. And as always, have a good one.